Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Hamster Kombat not opening. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So in order to do this, first thing that you're gonna need to do is clearing cache. And to do that, you wanna open up the Telegram app, and as you can see, you're gonna find yourself in the home screen. So press onto the menu icon in the top left hand corner and then press onto the settings option from the menu. Scroll down and look for the option that says data and storage and press on it, and after that press onto storage usage. So here's the clear cache button down here, so tap on it and then try again opening Hamster Kombat. If the Hamster Kombat still doesn't want to open, then we probably should update the Telegram app. And to do that, you want to open up the Play Store and then press onto search in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then go to the search box on the top of the page and type in Telegram, then press enter. If you see an update button, press on it and wait for the app to install the updated version, which should fix the problem. You can press onto the open button and then go to the search box and type in Hamster Kombat. Press onto the play button in the bottom left hand corner and the app should open. Now, if that still doesn't work, so you can try restarting your phone and try again, and I can assure you that one of these methods is gonna work. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next one.